Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal overnight in the fridge. This incredibly simple method transforms basic ingredients into a delicious, no-cook breakfast. You'll learn to combine just a few staples like rolled oats, your favorite milk, and a spoonful of chia seeds. It's perfect for busy mornings, offering a healthy and satisfying start to your day with minimal effort. Preparing your overnight oats is incredibly straightforward. First, grab a jar or container with a secure lid. Add about 1/2 cup of rolled oats, then pour in 1/2 to 3/4 cup of your preferred milk. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which help thicken the mixture. Finally, add any sweetener you like, mix well, and seal the container tightly. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their versatility for customization. Feel free to add fresh or frozen fruits like blueberries or sliced banana for natural sweetness. Boost the protein with a spoonful of peanut butter or a sprinkle of chopped almonds. You can also enhance the flavor with a dash of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract, or a drizzle of maple syrup. Get creative and make it your own. Overnight oats offer numerous benefits, making them a fantastic breakfast choice. They are packed with fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping you full longer. This method is ideal for meal prepping, allowing you to prepare several servings in advance. Simply store your sealed jars in the refrigerator, and they will stay fresh and delicious for up to 4 days, ready whenever you are.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.